So let us see now these functions. First of all of you, I just take the one list, guys. I just take the one list some 10 20 30 40 10 30 some 20 to take that. Okay, now length function is used to count the number of elements. All of right, length function is used to count number of elements. Okay, oh, one second, all of you. Now all of you, now is everything fine from my side? Right, clear, very good. Right, so all of tell me now what is the result here. Length function is used to find the number of elements, guys. Number of elements, right? Number of elements. How many are there? 9 elements are there. That is the length function. Next, index function is the lst dot index of 10, guys. What is the index of 10? What is the index of 10? What is the index of 10? All of you. What's index here, right? 0, right? 0, guys. Now, suppose, sir, we have the 2 10s are here. 10 is there. Here 10 is there. 2 10s are there. Which 10 will come, sir? First 10 only, not the second 10, third 10, fourth 10, fifth 10. Only the first 10 index number only will come, guys. Sir, I want the second 10 index numbers, sir, or I want the third 10 index numbers, sir, or fourth 10 index numbers, sir. Yes. For that one, we will create our own functions, guys. These are the predefined functions. These are the which one? Predefined functions, guys. Right? Predefined means they have a fixed functionality. All of right. Predefined functions means they're having the fixed functionality, guys. They're having the fixed functionals, right? Now what do we do? As per our requirement, what we do, we can create our own functions, guys. All right, as per our requirement, we can create our own functions. We can create our own, our own functions, guys. Our own functions. Okay, all of you. Right. Now let us see here. Let us see now, all of you. So what index number of 10 is the 0, right? 0, guys. Okay, 0. Next one, I'll take here lst dot index of suppose 50, guys. Let me know what is the 50 index number. What is the 50 index number, guys? Right, there's the 4. It gives by default positive values only, not the negative values, guys. It gives by default positive values only. Okay, that's all. So index number means to find the index number of specific element. Next, count function is there. What's count function? List dot count of, I am taking the 10. What's the meaning? Means how many times 10 is there? How many times 10 is there? Means count function is used to count the number of occurrences of a specific element. Number of occurrences, guys. Number of occurrences. All of you. All of right. Okay. Yes. How many times? 2 times is there. lst dot count of 100. How many times 100 is available? How many times 100 is? All of you. How many times? 0 times 100 is there. Okay. So these are the 3 functions: length, index, count. Right. Next, guys, max function is there. Max function, min function, sum function. These 3 functions are there. This lst, right? Now max of lst means the lst, what is the maximum value? In the LST, what is the maximum value? Zero na. Why zero? All of very good. What's the maximum value, guys? Here in the LST, what is the maximum value? How much, right? 50 is the maximum value. What is the minimum? Min in the LST, guys. Min in the LST 10 na. Sum in the LST. Sum in the LST. What is sum, guys? Max and min values we are given very immediately. Some value till now nobody given answer. Why we had some one by one, right? All of you. Okay, 150, I think 280, 240 something, right? All of you, how much? 240. Okay, max, min, sum, guys. Right? The next one is very, very important, guys. Important. All function under any function, guys. All under any functions. Now, all of observe, very, very interesting, guys. These two functions are. Now, I'll just take the one LST, guys, or I'll take the LST one, for example. LST one, I just take the 10, 20, 30. Okay, all of you. Okay, I'll take now all of LST, all of LST1. Now it gives either true or false. Now true came. Why true came here? Why true came here? Any guess, all of you? Any guess, guys? Why true came here? Okay, I'll go with one more example. LST2. LST2, I'm taking 10, 5.5. I just take the true. Okay, I just take the one string also. One string also. Now, all of LST2, what is the answer, guys? All of LST2. True or false, all of you? Yes, you are all saying the false, but still it is true only. It is the true only. All of you. See, if you take the same type of values, true only. If you take different types of values, true only. Okay. Now let's go for third example. Third example. I just take the 100. I just take the 200. I just take the 1, 2, 3. Some false. Okay. False, guys, right? False like this. Now all of you guys, can you guess now? Can you guess now? All of LST3. All of LST3. Now true or false, guys? True or false, all of you? True or false? Yes, some are giving the true, some are giving the false, right? This time, this is the false. This is the false. Why? Why? Yes, I'll tell you, guys. Okay, I'll tell you. These two functions mainly, okay, mainly working with false or zero values, guys. Okay, either false or zero, both are same, right? Both are same, guys. So all function means all function means if list has all not non-zero values. See, this is the zero, right, guys? This is zero. This is zero, right? All of you, it is zero, right? If list has all non-zero values, then all gives true. If list has all non-zero values, it gives true. If it has any at least one zero value, it gives false. All of you, I'm talking about all function. All right, all function. If a list has all non-zero values, okay, non-zero values, at that time it gives true, right? It gives true, guys. It gives true. All is true when if list has all non-zero values. Suppose if list has if list has okay, zero value, guys. Zero value means true or false or zero, right? Zero value. At the time, what happens here? It gives false. It gives false if list has a zero value. If list contains okay. If list contains zero value, if list contains all non-zero values. So all of observe here. So the list contains all non-zero values. Means no zero, no false. So it is true. Here also list contains all non-zero values, guys, right? Non-zero values. See here, zero is not there, false also not there. So all are non-zero values. It's also true. Next, if list contains, what happened here? What happened here? Here false is there. Means all are not non-zero values. All are not non-zero values. Output of false came, guys. Right? And now you tell me, guys. You tell me now. I take one more example. One more example. I take here. Suppose A. Suppose 1. All right, 1 is there and something B is there, 0 is there. I just take 10. Okay. Now all of LST4, is it true or false, guys? All of you. This time you should not give the wrong answer, guys. This time you should not give the wrong answer. Should not give the wrong answer. Yes. All giving the correct answers, guys. What the answer here? The answer is the false, right? Answer is the false, guys. Okay. Answer is the false. All right. So all must be non-zero values. Then only it use true, guys. If at least one false value or zero value is there, use false. All right. So what's the proof when it is true? Tell me now. When it is true, guys, if list contains all non-zero values, okay, that is all function. What about any functions are? What about any functions are? What about any function, right? Now all of them observe. Any function means any function means okay. So it gives true, guys. It gives true. When it is true, if list contains at least one non-zero value. At least one non-zero value. At least see any means at least any one, guys, any one non-zero, all must be non-zero. That's all of you. The first one, all must be non-zero. Second one, anyone must be non-zero. Then only they give true, guys. They give the true. So all of you let me know, guys. Everybody's clear. All means all elements must be non-zero. Any means any one, any at least anyone must be non-zero. Anyone must be right non-zero. All of okay. Right. Now let us see all of you observe, guys. Let us see now. I take the LST1, guys. I take the LST1, suppose 10, 20, 30. I just take the 0. Now any of LST1 now true or false, guys. All of you. Any of LST1, is it true or false? Someone giving the answer false. Someone giving the answer false. Why it is false? Only one given the answer false. Why it is false? All of you. Right? So any means, see, at least in the list contains at least any one non-zero, guys. At least any one non-zero. At least one value. If non-zero is there, that is true only, guys, right? But what happened here? This is non-zero. This is non-zero. This is non-zero. So three non-zero values are there. Then it must be true. It must be true, guys, all of you. LST2, I just take here false. I just take here 0, 1, and 0. Again false, again 0. Now any of LST2, any of LST2, tell me, guys. All of tell me now. True or false, all of you? True or false? True or false, right? It is true, guys. It is the true. All right. So now I take the list 3. I take list 3. Suppose I take 0 and false and 0 guys, right? Now any of LST3, then tell me now all of you. Any of LST3, this time what happens guys? True or false, all of you? Here someone giving the answer true. Here someone giving the answer true guys. Who has given the answer true, you can check once again. So when any is true, if a list contains at least one non-zero, right? But here we don't have at least one non-zero also, then it gives false. Okay, it gives false guys, right? It gives false. So someone asking me one doubt guys. What is the doubt? Sir, that is index number or number value? Which one? That is means what is that? Here the case of all and any, I did not use the word number value or index value. Please write the question one more time with more elaboration. Someone asked, is that number value index? Which one? You said 0. See here, all of you observe here. This 0, right? You are saying this 0. You are saying this 0 means 0 is, see all of you, see this is the 0, right? This is 0, it's element, not normal number, not index number. It's normal number guys, right? Number, it's normal number, right? 0. So 0 and false both are same, right? Both are same. Generally in Python, 0 false both are same, they're called okay. So the remaining all values guys, remaining all values are which one? Non-zero values. Remaining all are which one? Remaining all are the non-zero values. Remaining all only except 0 and false, remaining all values. Like maybe integer values, okay, integer values, maybe characters, all of strings, maybe okay, this is true, maybe complex numbers, like that. These all are which one? Non-zero values only. What are zero values? Okay, 0 false are 0 values, and these all are the non-zero values. Are clear now? So 0 means index number, it's a normal number only. It's normal number, right? Okay. So for this one, you don't need to write the same message, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, not required. Okay. Yeah, then I give that time. The time ask me questions. Some people are there, what they do, maybe any question, okay, that's fine guys. Asking questions always important, always important. But what they do, the same question, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. They don't concentrate the class. They stick to that point only and don't listen to the topic. Some people like that, not all. Some people like that. Okay. If any doubt, there's small doubt, right? You can ask me at the end and continue the class. Right. So now what functions over guys now? What over here? Right, all over and any, right, any over guys. Now next one, very important, is append function, extend function, and insert function, right? So these functions are used to add element to list guys. Suppose one list is there. One list is there. For this list, I want to add the element guys. One list is there. For that list, I want to add which one? One element. Two elements. Then we can use append function, extend function, and insert function. And each one has their own functionality guys. Append has the different functionality. Extend has different. Insert has the different. But overall what we use same purpose, but each one has some differences. Okay, let us see very clearly one by one guys. These three are for adding purpose, right? For adding purpose, adding elements. To remove, To remove, what do we use? We use the remove function, guys. Remove function we use the pop function, guys. Remove pop. Remove pop. Okay, these two functions we use to delete element from list, guys. Element from the list. Okay, let us see one by one. First of all, let's go with append extend insert, guys. All of you observe. I just take the one list. Okay, one list, guys. 10, 20, 30, 40, guys. Okay, 30, that's all. Now, lst dot append of, I'm adding the, suppose 50, guys. Any number. Just add the 5. I'm adding the 5, right? Adding the 5, guys. If I click enter, this 5 will add at the end only, not in the beginning or not in the front, guys. Append means adding at the end. Append means adding at the end. So this 5 will add at the end. That's all, guys. Okay, yes. Now what is the LST? Now see, the 5 came at the end of the list only. End of the list. Okay, next one, guys. Next one, lst dot append of. I just take the, suppose a. Tell me now what output will come, guys. What output will come? All of, tell me now. All of you, right? Yes. That a will come in the ending, right? That a will come at the end, guys. That a will come at the end. That a will come at the end. Okay, at the end, guys, right? All of it, what is the LST? See, a came at the end. Means append function is used to add one element. That element will add at the end of the list automatically. So adding one element is clear, but now I want to add multiple elements by using append, guys. See, here only one element adding, here also one adding, right? Now what I want now, I want to add multiple elements, like I take 10, or else I'll take here 100, 200, 300, 400, all of, right? If I click enter, first of all, it will throw error. Why? Because the append function allows only one argument. But how many given here? 4 are given. Means in the function, it allows only one element. How many you have taken? You have taken the 4. So for that one, what do? I'll make this all as a one element by taking the square brackets, the beginning and ending. Yes. Now one element, guys, right? One element. Okay. Click enter. If I use the print of LST, see previously how many are there previously, right? How many are there? 5 are there, right? 5 are there previously, right? How many? 5 are there. Now this all will come as a one element, or this all come as a 4 elements. All of already 5 are there, right? 5 are there. 5 plus 4 or 5 plus 1, all of you, let me know. All of you. Is it 5 plus 4 or 5 plus 1, guys? Right, very good. Yes, guys. Okay. That all coming as a nested list, guys. Means as one element only. That means by using append function at a time, we can add only one element only, not more than that. All of you observe, guys, here square brackets are there. That means that one coming as a separate element, not or individual, guys. This all coming as a separate element, means a nested list, guys. Okay, nested list, all of, right? So what's append function, guys? Tell me now. Append function, right? So append function is used to to add new element, new element to the existing, right, existing list, guys. All right, append function is used to add, is used, okay, is used to add a new element at the end of, right, at the end of, at the end of end of the exist list, okay, end of the exist list, guys. All it's clear, right? Okay, next we can add only one element at a time, all of it. Only one is possible, guys. Only one is possible. That is one, that is the append, guys. But I want to add multiple, sir. Then how? Here you are saying that adding only possible one. But I want to add multiple, sir. Then you go for the next function, extend, guys. All right. If you want to add only one, go with append. If you want to add multiple at a time, go with extend, guys. Extend. But common point is either append or extend, they will add at the end of the list only. All of you, either append value or extend value, these values will add where at the end of the list only. End of the list only. Okay, let us try now. Let us try, all of you. I take the again new list, guys. Just I take the 10, 20, 30. Okay, that's all. lst dot extend of. So it allows always a set of values, guys. See, extend means extend is used by for set of values, maybe two values always, right? That's why we directly square brackets of. So I take now 100, 200, 300 like that. All of right. Now, what is the LST? Tell me now, guys. Now, in LST, how many elements are there, all of you? In LST, how many elements are there, guys? How many? So 3 plus 1 or 3 plus 3, all of you. Here 3 and all come as one element or else 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6, guys, right? See now. First 3 are there. Now these 3 are adding at the end only. At the end only. And all individual 3, 10, 100 separate, 200 separate. This is separate, guys. In the previous case, this all coming as a separate list, guys, right? Separate list. All of clear, right? So extend is used to add one or more elements at the end of the list only. One or more possible. Append means only one possible at a time. Only one at a time. Only one at a time. Extend means one or more at a time. One or more at a time. That's all. All of clear, right? Extend function, guys. Okay, extend function. Right, extend function, guys. So extend function, right? Extend, okay. Extend function is used to add one or more new elements, new elements at the end of existing, okay, existing list, guys, at the end of existing list. Okay, all of you. So here only one is possible, right, guys? Okay, only one is possible, but here n number of possible, right? N number of possible, guys. All of you, right? Now, suppose I take the same list, guys. I take same list. Now let us see what will happen without okay square brackets, guys. See. Extend takes only one argument, but how many given here again? 3 given, guys, right? That's why any function, maybe append function, extend function, they allow only one now. That's why that square brackets must be required, guys. All of you, okay? Just don't take like this, extend of all. Just to make this all single, we use the which one? We use the square bracket, so that this all will be the one list element, guys. To clear, all of you? Sort of clear, right? Extend function, guys. Let me know, everybody. Till now, all of clear. Append, extend. Append only one. Extend one or more. That's all, guys. Very simple. External means append means only one, external means one or more. Right? Now, but in these two, one problem is there. What's the problem? Sir, okay, not a problem, one common point. What's common point? Sir, if you use the either extend or append, adding at the end only possible. Adding at the end only. But what I want now, I want to add in the middle, sir. I want to add the element in the middle or in the beginning. Any required place or then how? I want to add the element. I want to insert the element at required position. Then which function we use, guys? We use the insert function. We use which function? Insert function, guys. All of it, insert function. Yes. Now we take the list of some 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Okay. Now all of right. Now lst dot insert insert of all of you. I just take here 0, comma 100. Now what is the LST here? Yes. So this is the actual list, guys. This is the actual list. The same one only, just I called here. That's all. The actual list. Now what is the meaning here? Insert of 0, comma 100 means at a 0 index position, just I can insert the 100, guys. Insert the 100. So in this list, what is 0, guys? Actually, see, this is 0, right? This is 0, guys. This is the 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. That's the actual index number, right? Now at a 0, I want to take the 100, guys, so that at 0, 100 will come, remaining all will adjust. Remaining all will adjust like 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, like this, guys. So what I said here, at 0 index number position, I want at the 100. That's what, okay, here happened, guys. Now you give reply next one, guys. Now this is the current LST, right? I'm taking now LST dot, all of you reply, insert of, okay, insert of, I just take the, okay, 3, comma, I just take the true. Terminate all of you. So what's the meaning now? At a 3 index number, just I want to insert the true. I want to insert the true. What is the final output, guys? What is the final output? At a 3 index position, take the true. All of you. Okay. Yes. Just observe, guys, here. Just observe now. So this is the right now list. Okay. This list, guys. Now general, this is the, okay, this is 0. Okay. This is 0, guys. This is the 1. This is the 2. This is the 3. This is the 4. This is the 5. Okay. This is the 5, guys, right? That's fine now. Now at a 3, I want to keep the true. Means this is same 0, guys, same 1, same 2. At 3, what is there? Actually 30 is there. Now at 3, I'm taking the true. Remaining will adjust, guys. Remaining 4 or 5 or 6, like that. All of right. And next one, guys. Next one I'll take here. LST. This is the LST, guys, right? I take the small LST. Okay. I take the small LST. 10, 20, 30. Okay. Now LST dot insert. Okay. Insert of. So true. All of right. True. True, comma true. All of, let me know. What's the output, all of you? What is the output, guys? All of you. What? See, this is the index number, right? True means 1. Okay. True means 1, guys. Index number true means 1. At one index number, I want to insert the true value. At one index number, I want to insert the true, okay, true value, guys, right? So output will be first 10 true, 20, 30. 10 true. See, here 1 means index number 1, guys. This is 0. This is 1, means after 10, that true will come. At index number 2, okay, I'm adding the value true, guys. See, index number 2. At that time, I am placing this true value, bool value. Okay, all of you, all of clear, right? This function is clear. Which see, can I insert a multiple values or not, sir? This is the LST guys, right? LST. I want to add, I want insert, okay. Multiple elements, right? 1, 2, 3. At which position? First is index number, right? At a 0 position, at a 0, all of index means at a 0 position, I want to take the sublist, guys. At a 0 position, I want to take the sublist, right? The sublist. Yes, now all of observe. See, at a 0 plus what came? All sublist came, means as a one element came, guys. Means by using insert also, we can add only one element at required position. Only one element, guys. It will take only one element, not multiple elements. Same like append, right? Append all same, guys. So all of clear these functions now. Append, extend, insert, all of you. All of clear, right? Now going for remove function, guys. Remove function under okay, and I'll just take the pop, okay, pop, guys. Now what is the LST? Now what is the LST, guys? LST, this one, right? Now LST dot remove of 10. That's all. Check it. 10 is there or not there. If 10 is there, remove that 10. If 10 is not there, it will throw a error. Now all of you, 10 is the right. Remove that 10. What is LST? Just 10. Okay, 10 is removed, guys. That's all. All of you, right? Next LST dot remove of 100. 100 is there. 100 is there, guys, right? Not there, right? Not there. But I'm giving the 100, which is not available. What came here? Value error came. What came here? Value, right? Value error came, guys, right? Value error came. Why? Because this x, see, remove of x, x not in the list. It's saying that remove of x, this x means 100, not in the list. That's why what is there here? Value error, guys. If element is available, remove that element. If element is not available, okay, it will throw error. All of you clear this one? Remove function, guys. Now my question is, can we remove multiple elements or not? Suppose LST dot, okay. Remove of, I want to remove 20, 30 at a time, guys. Is it possible? I want to remove 20, 30 at a time like that. Is it possible, all of you? All of you guys, is it possible? Yes, not possible, right? Not possible, sir. Why? It will search like a list of 20, 30, but here 20 is separate, guys, 30 is separate. They are not list of 20, 30. So we cannot remove 20, 30 at a time, guys. Multiple values are not possible. Same what saying here. The sublist of 20, 30 not available. All of you clear now? This one now. Remove function, guys, right? Remove function. Now let's go with the pop, guys. Okay, what's LST? Yes. Now LST dot pop of. So give index number now. Index number means this is 0 index number, guys. 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. I am giving suppose 2, guys. Okay, I am giving the 2. Means pop will take the index number. All of you, it's index number. It's index number. Okay. What's index number? 2, right? Where is that 2? This is not a 2. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. So 20, right? 20 will written, guys, on display, right? What is there here? 20 is not there. Next, LST dot pop of. All of right. I just take the true, guys. Just take the true. Then what happens now? Generally, all of right. What happens here? This true will be removed. Okay, true will be removed. and that sublist and 30 only available, guys, right? The sublist and 30 only available. Now I don't give the any pop value, guys, or else I give the index number 10. Index number 10. How many we have? This is 0 index number. This is index number 1. But okay, I'm trying with index number 10. It will throw error, which are same index error. All right, all of you guys. Index error came. Why? Actually, you have the index number 0, 1 only, guys, right? We have the 0, 0, 1 only. I'm trying with the 10. That 10 out of range, guys, right? Out of range, guys. All of you clear about this pop, guys. All of you. Remove and pop, okay? Remove and pop, guys, right? Remove and pop. So all of you. So now what is over here? Adding functions over and deleting functions also over. Okay, all of you. Adding functions over and deleting function elements also over. Okay, right. And here only two things are there. Del is there and clear function is there, guys. Del and clear, right? So what is difference? What is difference? Yes. Now all of you observe. All of you observe here. LST, okay. All of you. I just take the list of 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, 40 guys. LST dot clear. Dot clear. Clear means removes all. It removes all, and finally empty list will be there. Empty list will be there. Empty list will be there. All of right. So clear means what is the meaning here? We should not clear it first of all. The clear meaning is remove all the elements. Okay, remove all the elements and makes an empty object. Okay, that is clear function, guys. That is the function, right? Clear function. That is the clear function, guys. All of you. By using clear function, we cannot remove a specific element, guys. Not possible. By using clear function, removing specific not possible. All values will remove. And what is finally here? Finally, empty list is there, right? Empty list is there. Now the same list, del space lst, guys. Del space lst means this entire list will delete from the memory, guys. Entire list will remove, all of you. Entire list will remove. Entire list, okay. Entire list will remove. Then what happens now? From memory, it deletes the LST object. Here creating and here deleting. All of right. Here creating and deleting, right? Now we can see yes, removed, guys. Now print of LST. Print of LST. LST is there, not there now. All of you. LST is there, not there? Not there, right? Why not there? LST why not there? Because here we specified the del LST. That's why it is highlighted, guys. And you can see here it says that okay, name is LST is not there. LST is not there, right? Actually, LST is there here, but that is removed. That is removed after removing here. Okay, I'm trying to print. It says that LST is not there. All right. So del command, del keyword will remove the entire list, guys. Will remove the entire list. That is del. Clear means it will not remove the entire list. It removes all data only. All data, guys. Right? All data is there. Only data is there. All of clear. So clear and del, guys. Del means it removes the entire object from memory. Clear means from that object removes all data only. Only data only. Now all of you guys, everybody's clear. These all functions till now. All of clear, right? So fine, guys, right? Okay, and we'll discuss the continuation tomorrow, right? Tomorrow we'll discuss about which one? We'll discuss about some of functions, and we'll go with the next list. Okay, next list, guys. All of you, okay? Yes. So all of you observe here, since first day onwards, we are using same class link. All of you, since first day onwards, we are using same class link, guys. Same class link. All of you. 1 second, guys. 1 second.